Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Today let's review the newest ResMed nasal pillow mask, the AirTouch N30i. A softer, gentler sleep awaits with this tube-up mask design, giving users a comfortable and restful sleep. The N30i is newly built, with a frame that is fully wrapped in soft fabric that is gentle on your face and hair. It's as breathable as your favorite pajamas, designed to wick away moisture to keep you cool and comfortable. Parts of the N30i include the quiet air diffused venting and comfy soft nasal pillow cushion. The venting is located on the front of the cushion to minimize noise when using your mask, and the cushion is small and compact, also made with fabric for an extra comfortable and secure seal. The spring-fit frame is fully wrapped in a luxurious-feeling fabric, designed to adjust to your face and head shape for an easy and soft fit. It includes side tabs where the headgear connects to. The tubing connection, located at the top of the frame, keeps the tubing out of your way to sleep in any position you'd like. This part also includes the quick-release elbow that makes it easy to disconnect the mask from your tubing if you need to get up in the middle of the night. The soft headgear includes adjustable side bands that contour comfortably to the back of your head to give you a secure fit. You can adjust it to your proper fit by using the Velcro tabs. To disassemble this mask, pull the cushion out from both ends of the frame. Then unfasten and pull out the headgear from the frame on both sides. Squeeze the side buttons on the elbow and pull up to release it from the frame. And your entire mask is now disconnected. To put it back together, connect the elbow into the top of the frame until you hear a click. Turn your mask to the back side and insert the headgear straps back into the frame, making sure the ResMed brand name is facing outward. Fasten both tabs to the main part of the headgear. Flip your mask back over and grab your cushion and align the arrow on the right side of it with the arrow on the frame and connect them together on both sides. Your mask is ready for use again. To fit the N30i to your face, first pull the frame and headgear over the head so that the elbow sits on top and the headgear is positioned behind the head. Adjust the headgear straps until it is best fitted for your face and head. Make sure the cushion is properly placed under your nose. Connect your air tubing from the device with the elbow, and you are ready for your CPAP therapy. We wish you luck with your treatment and hope you found this video useful. You can shop this mask online at the CPAP Shop today. For any questions, please call our team at 866-414-9700. Thanks for watching.